The history of the internet. Good day, everyone. Imagine a world without the internet. No social media, no Google, and no instant communication. It's hard to picture, isn't it? The internet has become such an integral part of our lives that it's easy to forget how it all began. Today, I'll take you on a journey through the history of the internet, from its humble beginnings to the global phenomenon it is today. The internet, as we know, it started in the late 1960s with a project called ARPANET, developed by the US Department of Defense. ARPANET was designed to allow computers in different locations to share information and resources. On October 29, 1969, the first message was sent between two computers at UCLA and Stanford. It was a simple word login. However, only the word law were transmitted before the system crashed. By the 1970s, scientists developed protocols like TCP or IP, which became the foundation for modern internet communication. In 1983, ARPANET adopted TCP or IP, and the term computer was born. Soon after, networks expanded to universities and research institutions, making it easier for people to share data. The real game changer came in 1989 when Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web. He created a system of hyperlinks and web pages, allowing users to access information in a much simpler way. The first website went live in 1991, and by the mid-1990s, the internet was accessible to the general public, thanks to web browsers like Netscape and Navigator. Fast forward today, and the internet has transformed every aspect of our lives. We use it for communication, education, entertainment, and business. Social media platforms, e-commerce sites, and streaming services dominate our daily routines. As of 2025, there are over 5 billion internet users worldwide, and advancements like 5G and artificial intelligence continue to shape its future. In conclusion, the internet has come a long way from its early days as a government experiment. It has revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect with one another. Understanding its history not only helps us appreciate its impact, but also inspire us to imagine what's next. Thank you for listening, and I hope you've learned something new about this incredible innovation.